Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I will chain 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that I've chained 6 on the last chain from the hook, I'll make a slip stitch. And now I'll chain 4. Then right there to its loop I'll make 4 treble crochet. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here in the beginning of this row we have a 4 chain plus these 4 treble crochets that give us 5 treble crochets, because this 4 chain in the beginning of this row counts as 1. And now I'll chain 2, then right there to that same loop I'll make 5 treble crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again I'll chain 2, then through that same loop I'll make 5 treble crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'll chain 2, then through that same loop I'll make 5 treble crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'll chain 2. Now right here through the same loop I'll make 5 treble crochet. So see, here we have 5 sets of 5 treble crochets. Now to complete row 1 I'll chain 2, then right there to that 4th chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 we need to get to this 3rd treble crochet chain, so in the next 2 chains I'll make a slip stitch. And now right here through this 2 chain loop I'll make 9 treble crochet. Now that we have made 9 treble crochets, I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 9 treble crochet. Now that we have made 9 treble crochets, I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 9 treble crochet. The next 2 chains, and through his third chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through his next 2 chain loop I'll make 9 treble crochet. Again, now I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through his third chain I'll make 1 single crochet. So we already finished 4 petals, now we need to make 1 more. So right here to his last 2 chain loop I'll make 9 treble crochet. And now to finish this row, right here to his first slip stitch chain, I'll make 1 slip stitch. Chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So now we'll just weave our ends in and we will be done. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you liked this video and thank you so much for watching.